Something rather surprising happened to me. I wanted to lubricate this bolt, so this is the split bolt that just connects the two parts of the snowblower, and I noticed I just wanted to release them, and I noticed they were not tight. They were just not loose, but very little tight in there. So I did release one of them, and when I went to release the other one, I did put any kind of force, so it was really loose in there. Bam, the head dropped into my hand. So it sheared off without any kind of force on it. So this tells you that the guy who assembled the snowblower, he over tightened it to the point where almost break it half. So it did split in my hand. Right now what I'm doing, I just supported both sides, and I'm going to grab the one of them, just go to the hardware store and replace all four of them. Fortunately, this did not happen while I was throwing snow, because that will split the snowblower in half if one or two of these will just shear off like this while working with a snowblower, and that would have been very unpleasant surprise, I guess. You can see the stud on the other side. The remaining stud is right there. So what I need to do is just split the snowblower in two, remove the four bolts, just undo this belt, and just work with the pliers to remove the stud from inside. Very surprising. Obviously it's not a manufacturer defect, it's just an assembly defect. I guess they assembled this by, they put young hiring people to do this, and when they don't pay attention, this can happen. So it's only one bolt that sheared off, but the second one I managed to remove from there. You can see the neck here is very shiny, and I could see it's not aligned with the head, the stud part. So obviously this one also was stretched, but I managed to remove it entirely in one piece. Okay, so the surprising list doesn't end there. So now I'm splitting it in two. This is the auger, this is the rest of the snowblower. Did remove the belt, have this belt, goes on the big pulley, and guess what? If you don't see the problem, whoops. Yes, it's been like 5 years I've been working with this without the bolt on the auger pulley. It does have a K, so that's why it did not fall from there, and I guess it was literally supported by the belt. That's why it didn't slide out like that. And now I do remember, after purchasing, very early after purchasing, the friction disc was not working properly. It was like sliding, slipping, and I did open the pan underneath, and I remember finding a bolt stuck between the flywheel somewhere, or between the gear, I think. Yes, it was underneath the gear, a bolt stuck. And guess where from that bolt was coming off from? 5 years ago. So I did throw that bolt. I didn't know where it's coming from, and all these years has been working without the bolt here. Yes, it's crazy. The assembly guy was Friday afternoon, so it can happen. I don't remember where this was bought from, but definitely, hopefully the rest is good, at least until now.